Here we have the 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye. This vehicle features 797 horsepower and 707 foot-pounds of torque. It uses the Demon power plant, the 6.2 liter high output supercharged engine that we launched in 2018. It has an open air box with natural cooling from both the functional hood scoop as well as a lit air catcher headlamp, which brings in fresh air through the inside of the headlamp. And then really what this is kind of mating the technology in the heart of the Demon with the vehicle of the Hellcat. So this is kind of a combination of the Demon and the Hellcat. At all four corners, this is the wide body, so it features the 20 by 11 inch forged aluminum wheels at all four corners, wrapped in 305 Pirelli tires. And this standard on Hellcats is the adaptive damping suspension, the 6-piston Brembo front brakes, as well as the 4-piston rears. The Redeye is kind of the angrier version of the Hellcat, so you'll see on the fenders there's a little Redeye gem within the logo. That's featured also on the supercharger housing, the IP bezel, the startup cluster screen when you start the vehicle, as well as your key fob. So kind of nice little touches to remind you that you have the top of the line Hellcat, the nice Redeye look. This specific vehicle here also features our new performance spoiler, kind of a nice little a nod to heritage spoiler, as well as our satin black painted appearance package. So you'll notice that the hood, roof, and the deck lid are all painted a nice satin black finish. Inside we have what we call our demonic red interior. It's a dark red full Laguna leather interior, as well as the 8.4-inch touchscreen standard on all Hellcats.
What will be the maximum speed?
The top speed of this vehicle is 203 miles an hour with a 0-60 of 3.4 seconds.
That's a great specifications. And what will be the price for such a pleasure?
The base Hellcat starts at $58,650. The Redeye is an $11,000 upgrade on top of that, and then wide body is $6,000 on top of that.
Already available on the US market?
Yes, it is available in the US market today.